All right, inside of your documents, you're going to have right here, go to your files folder, documents, NinjaTrader 8, templates, market analyzer. ATR goes in there. Close it down, open up your NinjaTrader, and then on your control panel, click on New, Market Analyzer. So it opens up this blank. Right click anywhere on here, templates, load. ATR, load. Now, you'll have to put in your own markets, right? ES, whatever, NQ. And as you put them, you have that just a 5-minute ATR in points. Now, I wonder if we could do this in ticks. See properties. I don't think so. I've got to figure that out. But just in points, you get a 5-minute in points. So like ES right now is a 3.78, like 4-point ATR, 4-point average to range intraday. Whereas NQ is down now at about 18. So, low vol already. The market opened, it did that big move. It hit these levels that I talk about in the room. These levels that I create every night during Asia are H levels, and then our true targets are the red, and then the purple is a full extension of what the move can be for the day. Obviously on a non-holiday, on a higher volume day, we're a day before Thanksgiving. Side note, so you got NinjaTrader 8. When you get that ATR file, you just pretty much put it in that file folder there. Again, documents on your computer, NinjaTrader 8, templates, market analyzer, paste it in here. Make sure you restart your NinjaTrader, open up a market analyzer, right click, load the template, it'll pop up there. Bam, you load that template, and you'll have just this simple grid. I did this to be convenient. I mean, you can do many things with the market analyzer. It's just a quick build I did to keep you guys, looking at anything. And for people that, not everybody knows how to build these. So, boom, and this is how many decimal point move, the 6C, the currencies, volatility. Sometimes you got to get a little bit smarter with that. Crude oil is going to be in ticks in dollars, so you'll figure, okay, that's 0.27 ticks. That's $270 up or down potential move. And most of it, again, was already done. You saw that one trader we have in the levels. He faded a level here, and then I think he took a break from there or something like I don't know. But, obviously crude made it, hit these levels, and you'll see inflection points that stops. Bam. Levels is something you can do if you want to watch them. Let me know, to put a plan together with your strategy. Okay, so if I wanted to, today I did a lot of NQ, but I do a discretion off of these levels myself. Bam. You can turn on a VQS, and this was 50 points. It's $1,000 play. I put the results in the results tab. Now this, I could have wrote it longer, but I didn't know at that moment at 8:16. I took this pre-market. I was anticipating a long. I had liquidity here on my order fill that I wanted to get out, and I only trade singles on NQ. It's too expensive. So I couldn't have a runner up to the target. Got stopped on this one. This was a really big stop for me. I thought I was being smart and re-entered here, but the VQS can enter these. Granted, what and how to, what kind of move range you're going to have against you. Okay. This is called dynamically using, volatility stops, volatility targets, because every day is different. All right, man. There you go.